Yeah, on behalf of the African Business Club at Johns Hopkins Business School, and in partnership with the Voice of Africa, we welcome you to this pleasant event. This event is called the Diaspora Connect Room. This room is more than a session, like she said. It's a space where the power of the African diaspora meets the vision of the continent. It's a place where students, businesses, policymakers, investors, and diplomats gather, not just to talk, but to connect, build, and create impact that transcends borders. At the Johns Hopkins University, particularly Carey Business School, we are proud to champion this bold idea, drive this innovation, entrepreneurship, and inclusive growth. The Diaspora Connect Room, it represents the spirit of commitment to bridging talent with opportunity and passion with purpose. Yeah. We are honored to be joined today by delegations from embassies and representatives from different organizations here present. And your presence signals the shared belief that the diaspora is not just a community scattered around the globe, but a force for investment, a force for policy, entrepreneurship, and global influence. This room would offer students and young professionals direct access to mentorship, direct access to media career paths, and also global networks. To the Voice of Africa, we thank you for co-moderating this event, and we want to bid everyone welcome to Diaspora Connect Room. Thank you.